Hello, welcome to my video, and in this tutorial we'll learn about the TCP small servers on Cisco and Fingers. So first step is download to your router. In this case my router is 192.168.1.1, and then press enter and then type your username and then type your password and then type followed by enter. So first we will try to Finger. So you need to activate the Finger feature in your router like this. So IP Finger, type IP space Finger and then followed by enter, and open another CMD like this, and drag into this and try to telnet to 192 your same router which you configure the IP Finger command into. So telnet space the IP of the router that you recently configure with IP Finger, and followed by space and type Finger. So that's the result. Basically the router, the Finger is displaying a list of user that log into your router. So let's try that one more time. And after, so this is the output, and after showing the output, the router itself is got disconnected directly. So after showing the output, the router disconnected. So disconnected like this, and this is the result. The user thoughts here is connect to line 8 PTY 0, line 9 PTY 1, and there's also idle or not idle. So for instance, like we show run in here and we do Finger again, same. But that's the point how show Finger works. So show Finger is showing the host table, the show user in the router. Show users, so like that. That's the same as telnet Fingers. That's great. And you can telnet into your router using this command from any client, any PC. Just type the IP address of your router that already activate the Finger, and followed by Finger like this. Then type enter. You can do that in any client that able to ping to 192.168.1.1 or able to ping to that router that we just configured here. So the next tutorial is we will use service TCP small servers like this. Press stop after TCP dash small dash, press stop like that, and then by enter. In these TCP small servers there are a lot of servers, include like Echo, like Discord server, Echo server, like Daytime server, like chargen server. Both are activated. All are activated after you use command service TCP small servers like that. Servers good. So we try that one by one. So first start with the echo. How to test the echo of your router is echo like that. Echo is type everything that you are type. So for instance, I type E, the server return E also. I type L, the server, the router in this case return L character also. So what I type, the router return. So if I type O, the router return O. If I type V, the router return V also to my telnet here. And if I type A, E, the router also return E character. And if I type Cisco, then the router also return Cisco. And if you want to quit the telnet this session, press Control and followed by close bracket like that. Like here, Control plus close bracket and type Q or quit. Pick one. For easy, type quit. So that's we already show success to test the echo server, and we also try to test the server discard that let me see here that what I type. So it's gone. So the next server is discard. Just type the picture that you want discard. For instance, discard is discard everything that you send to the server. If you press enter, it will bring a new line. So, but if you type N, the router don't give you any character. If you type A, C, or any character, the router just give you empty. I think this is space. So this is why this is called discard. And to quit this telnet session, as like before, press Control and press close bracket like that, and type quit. And this time we just type only Q. Just it. Next is we will try daytime. So like that, daytime is just a server that just return you a current time in on that router in the router. So this is same as you typing a show clock command on the router. So you can view the router time and clock from your Windows without having to telnet to client. So to router. So the last command is chargen. Chargen is char generator. So basically based on this his name, this server is generating you a bunch of characters. This is used useful for testing a connection from you and your router. So type enter, and this is the result of Chargen, and you just generate a random character, not a random, but a repetitive ASCII character. So this is ASCII character, and it will continue on and on until you stop it with control and close bracket like this, and this time we type quit. So that's it. So for recap, we already configured IP finger in the router, and we already configured small TCP small servers in the router, and that's it. We demonstrate how finger, how Azure server, how Discord server, how the daytime server, how the Chargen server it works. This server is built in a router like Cisco. So you can activate them using IP finger or finger and small TCP server, I think, for Azure server, Discord server, daytime server, and Chargen server. So like that. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this is useful for you, and I would like to say thank you.